Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, Auntie Karen.
Welcome to business school.
Okay, business school. So what are we going to do?
So today we're going to be talking about money, how to make money, what do you want to be when you grow up, and how to be an
Employee. What?
Do you want to be an employee?
Employer.
How to be an employer, how to be a boss, how to be an
Employee.
not employee, how to be an
Entrepreneur.
entrepreneur. Thank you. So everybody start by writing the date at the top of your paper. I need everybody to be taking notes. Write the date at the top of your paper, guys. So we're gonna start with this book, Kidpreneurs, Young Entrepreneurs with Big Ideas.
Auntie Karen, I need to get an eraser.
Is everybody done writing the date?
No.
So today we're gonna be starting with the introduction. What do you want to be when you grow up?
I know.
I haven't asked yet. I'm just letting you know what we're working on. So, does anybody know what they want to be when they grow up?
Yes.
So, Aiden, what do you want to be when you grow up?
Soccer player, a track, and a tennis player, and a builder, and a astronaut, and a chef.
Perfect. Nyanax, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a pilot.
Can you, Aiden, scoot back? I can't see Nyanax talking.
A pilot.
I need everybody to listen. When people are speaking, you need to listen to the other person.
I want to be.
Okay, Nyanax, go ahead.
I want to be a pilot, a soccer player, and a horse rider, and I want to be a tennis player.
Okay, thank you. Avery, what would you like to be when you grow up?
I would like to be a soccer player and a painter, and I would like to be a soccer player and a painter and a ballerina and a tennis sailor and
Okay, Ethan, what would you like to be when you grow up?
I would like to be a painter to paint people's houses and fences. And I would like to be a pilot and a photographer. That's all.
That's all?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, guys, so how do you think grown-ups earn money?
From working?
From working. So you want to be all those things when you grow up, because if you're going to work, are you going to make money from those things?
Yeah, so I'm gonna make a lot of money.
You're going to make a lot of money doing what, Ethan?
Everything that I said.
Tell me how. How are you going to make money as a painter?
I'm gonna make them pay me $5.
$5 only to paint their whole house?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Aiden, how are you going to make money as a pilot?
For taking people to airports they need to go to.
So you're going to make money flying what? So you're going to make money what? Flying what kind of airplanes?
United.
So you're going to fly. So you're going to be an employer or an employee? You want to be an employee? Why do you want to be an employee?
Because I want to own an airline.
Yeah, but when you have your own airline, remember you're a boss. You're not an employee, you're an employer. Remember the difference? An employee means you work for somebody. An employer means you work for yourself. You're a boss, you have your own business. Avery, how are you going to make money as a ballerina?
that I'm going to go on stage and dance.
Perfect, that was a good one. Nyanyat, how are you going to make money as, what did you say? Did you say cooker?
No, I said a pilot.
What else you said? I know you said something else. What else did you say?
I said a
How are you gonna make money as a soccer player?
I'm gonna show them how good I am.
Show who's them? Who are you gonna show?
I'm gonna show the people that like Miami.
But that's basketball. Aiden, what is that face for?
Barcelona soccer.
Miami Heat is basketball, silly.
Barcelona.
So you're gonna play for a team, and that's how you're gonna make money?
Yes.
Okay. This up. What is an entrepreneur? An entrepreneur is in charge of everything that goes on in his or her business. That means deciding what to sell and how much to charge. So if you're a painter and you're an entrepreneur, you'll have your own painting company. So you're gonna have employees. So people will pay you to paint, but you're not gonna be painting, or you can paint if you want to, but you're gonna have people working for you that are gonna be painting as well, right?
Yes.
And Aiden, if you're gonna be a pilot and you're gonna be an entrepreneur, you need to own your own airline, right?
Yeah.
Are you gonna be working for another person's airline?
No.
Yeah, you need to own your own airline. You need to own your own airline. And Nana, if you want to play soccer, that's a good thing to do too. But you also have to own something that is yours, right? Right?
Yeah.
And Avery, if you're going to be a ballerina, guess what you can have? A ballerina school where you teach people how to dance and dance ballet too, right? And guess what? That means that is your own school, right? Okay, we're going to go over these questions that we already went over. The person you work for is called your employee, boss, or entrepreneur?
Entrepreneur.
Boss. The person you work for is called your boss. An entrepreneur is somebody who owns their own business. Thank you. What does an entrepreneur do? Let me read the options first. Anything and everything, or nothing?
Everything.
Everything. So you got to be in charge of running your own business. The word entrepreneur is derived from French, German, or Dutch?
French.
French. Good job, guys. Good job, everybody. So I need you to write down all the things that you said you want to be when you grow up on your paper. You're going to write 1, 2, and you're going to number them. Make sure you write all of them down, okay? So on the next class, we're going to discuss all of them.
Okay, Mom, how do you spell soccer?
Sound it out, please.
Soccer.
If you don't know how to spell something, sound it.
Out.
Okay, pick up your pencil then. Okay, everybody, thank you for coming to my business school today.
You're welcome.
Your homework is to write down everything you want to be when you
Grow up.
and we'll see you in class next time, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Bye.